Hey everyone, do you have a bootable pen drive that you are not using anymore and you want to turn it back into a regular storage device? Just formatting it does not always work, but don't worry, I will show you the right way to do it and make it fully reusable. So grab your pen drive and let's get started. So first, let's open command prompt. You can do this by typing cmd in the Windows search bar and right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window will open, here we will use a built-in Windows tool called DiskPart. So you need to type DiskPart and press enter. Now under DiskPart you need to type list disk and hit enter again. This will show you all the drives connected to your computer. Okay. And if I open this PC, you will see these are my two PC drives, disk 0 and disk 1, and ESD USB is my USB type, which is listed here as a disk 2. You need to look carefully and identify your USB type. Okay, so in my case it's disk 2. Make sure you double check, as selecting the wrong drive could erase important data. Okay, so once you have identified your USB drive, next you need to type select disk 2 and hit enter, and it's showing disk 2 is now selected disk. Now we will use the clean command to remove all partition, making the drive completely blank. Okay, so for that type clean and press enter. This will wipe all the data and the bootable configuration from the drive. Next we will create a new partition on the USB drive. So for that you need to type create partition primary and press enter. Then we will format the drive by typing format fs is equal to ntfs quick, or you can also use FAT32 instead of ntfs. Okay, depending on what file system you want to use. Finally, we need to assign a drive letter so you can access the USB like any normal drive. Okay, so for that type assign and press enter, and you can see DiskPart successfully assigned the drive letter. Now type exit to leaving DiskPart. Now close this window and check your USB drive in File Explorer. You should be able to store files like before. If everything looks good, you are all set. Your bootable USB drive is now a regular storage device again, and you can use it like before. I hope this video made the process crystal clear for you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with a friend who might need this. Thanks for watching.